Nicole bought an electric keyboard at 8,800. So this one is cost, we label as C. He then sold the electric keyboard and made a net profit of 20% based on cost. So this is actually NP, net profit. The operating expenses were 12% of the selling price. So this is actually the OE, all right? So the selling price of the keyboard we have to find. So we know that from the formula, okay, that, right, the SP, sorry, okay, from the formula that SP is equal to net profit plus with the OE, operating expenses, plus with the cost. And we know that we want to find the SP, so we have to write SP first. So the net profit is given just now as the net profit 20% based on cost, and cost is 8,800, meaning that we have to multiply 20% means that 0.2 20% times together with the based on cost, so 8,800 is the cost, plus OE, operating expenses is 12% based on the selling price given here. All right, so it's given here. So what we have to do is that we'll have to write the OE as the 0.12 of the selling price multiplied by the selling price, and write C as 8,800. And then we have to multiply. You use your calculator. All right, so 0.2 multiplied by 8,800, you'll get, okay, SP is equal to 1760 plus 0.12 SP plus 8,800. So we add up the 1,760 together with 8,800, so we'll get 10,560 plus 0.12 SP. And then what we have to do is, what do we have to do with the SP is that we have to collect the SP, put this SP to the side. All right, so what we have to do is that we'll bring SP, because this is plus, so it will become minus 0.12 SP will be equal to 10560. So we use your calculator, 1 minus 0.12, okay, so we'll get 0.88 SP, which is equal to 10560. So how to get this SP? So what we have to do is that we'll have to bring this 0.88 to this side. So what happens is that we have to use the division. So 10560 divided by 0.88. So we use your calculator, 10560 divided by 0.88. So you'll have RM 12,000. Okay, so now we get the SP. All right, next question is that the question wants to find the amount of markup, and we know that markup is actually we have just now that the what we call it as selling price, we got as already RM 12,000, and then we know that the cost is RM, the cost is here, right? Because the cost is RM 8,800, so you go back here, all right? So the cost is 8,800. So of course the markup is just simply what do you call it as the selling price minus the cost. So as the selling price is 12,000, we insert all the value, and the cost is 8,800. Okay, and then you press your calculator, so you'll get RM 3,200 as the markup. All right, let's see the next question. The next question wants us to find the break-even price. The break-even price is given by the formula. All right, so let me use this color. Right, so let's say this is break-even price. BEP is break-even price. The formula is the cost plus the operating expenses. We know that the cost is here 8,800, right? And the operating expenses is actually given in this question as the operating expenses as 12% based on the selling price. So we'll first write the information. So 0.12 SP. This is meant by 12% based on selling price, right? So multiply with SP. So we add here, we know that this OE here, right? So we want to put here, right? So what happens is that we will have to 0.12 multiplied by SP, but SP we have already got in the first question, so that's 12,000. So from this, we press your calculator, 0.12 plus multiply with the 12,000, so you'll get 1,440. So we add them up together, so we'll get RM 8,800 plus 1,440, so we'll get RM 10,240. So this is the break-even price. As we have got the break-even price from the previous questions as RM 10,240, right? So now we want to find the next questions asks us to find the amount of net profit or loss if the electric keyboard was sold at 10,500. So this is actually new selling price, a new SP. All right, so then where the net profit or loss is calculated, right? So we'll first write the formula, right? First we'll write the formula. So net profit or loss is given by the new selling price. We have to minus the break-even price. So we've got the new selling price as this, all right, 10,500. So RM 10,500. So we have to minus BEP. The break-even price is here, all right. So it is 10,240. Therefore, we use your calculator, you get RM 260 as the net profit, right? So next questions ask us to find the maximum percentage of markdown that can be offered without incurring any loss. All right, so tak nak rugi apa-apa. All right, so we have the formula for that one. The formula is given by maximum, right? Maximum percentage of markdown is given by the SP, the selling price, minus the break-even price over over SP multiplied by 100, because we want to find a percentage. So we insert all the values. The SP is here 12,000. 12,000. The break-even price is 10,240 divided with the 12,000 multiplied by 100. So we will have the upper part on the numerator as 12,000 minus 10,240. So get 1760 over 12,000, and then we have to multiply by 100. So we'll get 14.67%, meaning that the seller can only make up to maximum of 14.67% markdown if he does not want to incur any loss.